This Bella Immersion Hand Blender offers a delightful fusion of style, power, and practicality, making it a standout choice for any kitchen. With its vibrant color options and versatile functionality, this blender is designed to bring a touch of joy to your cooking experience. Whether you're whipping up a batch of homemade soup, blending a fresh smoothie, or preparing baby food, the Bella Immersion Hand Blender promises to be an invaluable tool in your culinary arsenal. Here's a detailed review that explores its features, benefits, and why it might be the perfect addition to your kitchen. At the heart of the Bella Immersion Hand Blender is a robust 250-watt motor, providing the power needed to handle a variety of blending tasks with ease. From mixing sauces and pureeing soups to making smoothies and protein shakes, this blender can tackle it all. Two-speed functionality ensures that you have control over the blending process, allowing you to select the perfect speed for your specific need. The 6-inch blending shaft is ideal for blending directly into tall pots or containers, making it convenient for large batches or deep. One of the standout features of the Bella Immersion Hand Blender is its Detachable Whisk Attachment. This added functionality allows you to whip up fluffy meringues, creamy whipped cream, or light batters for baking with ease. Additionally, the chopper extension simplifies the process of cutting vegetables and other ingredients, making it a versatile tool for various kitchen tasks. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or cooking a full meal, this blender adapts to your needs effortlessly. Safety and health are paramount in kitchen appliances, and the Bella Immersion Hand Blender delivers on both fronts. It is BPA-free, ensuring that your soups, juices, and other creations are safe from harmful chemicals. The durable stainless steel blade system is not only robust but also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The detachable parts, including the blending shaft and whisk attachment, can be easily removed and washed, saving you time and effort after cooking. One of the practical aspects of the Bella Immersion Hand Blender is its compact size. It is small enough to be conveniently stored in a drawer, eliminating the need for extra counter space. The ergonomic grip design ensures comfort during use, reducing hand fatigue and cramps. This thoughtful design allows you to blend, whisk, and chop comfortably, making it a user-friendly tool for both novice and experienced cooks. The Bella Immersion Hand Blender is not just a functional kitchen appliance, but also a stylish addition to your culinary tools. Available in a variety of bright colors, this blender allows you to express your personality and add a pop of color to your kitchen. Its sleek design and vibrant hues make it a great gift idea and a perfect addition to any wedding registry. The combination of form and function ensures that you not only get a practical tool, but also a stylish one. The Bella Immersion Hand Blender is designed to meet a wide range of cooking needs. Its powerful motor and versatile attachments make it suitable for everything from everyday tasks to special culinary projects. Whether you're making smoothies for breakfast, preparing baby food for your little one, or whipping up a batch of creamy soup, this blender is equipped to handle it all. Pros and cons. Pros: powerful 250-watt motor handles a variety of blending tasks efficiently. Two-speed functionality provides control over blending speed for different tasks. Detachable whisk attachment, ideal for whipping and mixing. BPA-free and dishwasher safe, ensures safety and easy cleanup. Compact and ergonomic design, saves space and enhances comfort. Cons: limited power compared to high-end models, may not handle very heavy-duty tasks as effectively as higher wattage blenders. Noise level: some users may find the motor noise to be noticeable during operation. Conclusion: the Bella Immersion Hand Blender combines power, versatility, and style in one compact package. Its 250-watt motor, adjustable speeds, and range of attachments make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're blending, whisking, or chopping, this hand blender delivers reliable performance with ease. Its BPA-free construction and dishwasher-safe parts ensure that your cooking remains safe and hassle-free. With its vibrant colors and ergonomic design, the Bella Immersion Hand Blender is not only a functional tool, but also a stylish statement in your kitchen. If you're looking for a versatile, stylish, and easy-to-use hand blender that can handle a variety of tasks, the Bella Immersion Hand Blender is a fantastic choice. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make your purchase today. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.